exam will pertain to a number of things that we've covered throughout the course of the semester. Obviously, all of the texts that we've covered from modules 1 through 10 will be addressed or will be subject to questions in the final exam. So you have the first section, which is worth 75 points. There are at least 15 questions, ranging between multiple choice, true or false, short answer, matching, biography. Remember, in answering biography questions, quotes explain questions, people, you want to answer with the author's name as well as the text. Make sure that that's answered completely, the author's name and the text. And when we're talking about quotes explain questions, where I ask you to give a short explanation as to the quote's reasoning in the text. What's the reason for the quote in the text? You have to use or answer both the author's name, the text, and explain how the quote is used in the text. Alright, so remember that, especially with quotes explain questions. You'll also see literary device questions, and of course questions on protagonist and antagonist. In section 2, you have the short essay, which includes a 5-paragraph format. You must understand, people, that unlike what you did with the midterm exam, you want these essays to be more substantive. So they shouldn't just be 1-paragraph responses. Structure them in the 5-paragraph traditional expository essay format, which includes and is not limited to the introduction, supporting paragraphs, and your conclusion. Be sure, people, in the final exam, that you respond to 2 of 3 essay prompts. The first essay prompt, dealing with tragedy, must be answered. So, what am I speaking about here? Let's see. Here's the essay portion to the final exam. Yes, I'm giving it to you beforehand. Of the 3 essay prompts, you must answer 2. The first being required. Alright, so you're going to have 3 essay prompts, people. Be sure that you address the first one, dealing with tragedy. And then you choose between the last 2. So, in all, you'll have 3 essay prompts and 2 essay prompts you will respond to. The first one you must respond to in a short essay. Again, I'm not looking at number of words. I'm looking more for substance in the essay. And you can choose between the second and a third essay to use for your second essay. So again, you're completing 2 essays, short essays, from the essay prompts below. The first one is mandatory. Again, note, people, I'm not looking for a specific number of words, nor am I looking for a works cited page. I'm looking for you to answer these 3 questions from these 3 essay prompts. I'm looking for you to answer the first and choose between 2 and 3 in a short essay response. Alright? Be sure you start your essay response by way of number. Alright? So in other words, you'll say essay number 3, and you go from there, essay number 1 or essay number 2. If you have any questions, please contact me. Otherwise, good luck on the final, good people, and take care. The final exam